Hello, welcome to the We Are Searching YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your name on Facebook app step by step. First, go to Facebook app on your phone. Click on the icon with 3 lines under the message icon you see in the upper right. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy option. Now go to the Settings option from the list that appears. Tap on Personal and Account Information option from the list under the Account title. To change your name on Facebook, tap on the one with Name among these options. Here you see 3 options as first name, middle name, and last name. You can tap on the part you want to change and write your new Facebook name. After typing your new Facebook name, tap on where it says Review Change. To complete the process, you need to write your current Facebook password on the blank and then tap on Save Changes button. Thus, the process of changing your Facebook name has been completed. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want videos like this to come, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like the video, comment, and click the bell for new videos.